best deals. In today's video, let's review some of the kitchen gadgets. They streamline the cooking process, improve accuracy, and enhance food presentation, ultimately leading to better meals and a more enjoyable kitchen experience. High-quality gadgets, like blenders, food processors, and even simple tools, can significantly reduce preparation time and effort, making cooking faster and easier. All the product links are given in the description. 1. Dish drying mat. Expertly crafted from flexible silicone, this durable mat is heat and water resistant, ensuring long-lasting strength, and features unique diagonal ridges and a specially designed lip for efficient water drainage directly into the sink. Product link is given in the first link. 2. Coconut scraper. With durable stainless steel blade, perfect for efficient and traditional coconut grating. Durable polished teak coconut scraper offering long-lasting performance and elegance for traditional and modern kitchens. Ergonomic coconut scraper with comfortable grip. Product link is given in the second link. 3. Vegetable spinner. With one simple action, control the top pump to swiftly remove excess water from your lettuce in seconds. Ready to eat greens for your salad, it's that easy. Its efficient design of vegetable dryer spinner means no more waiting for greens to air dry. Enjoy fresh, crispy salads in seconds and save valuable time in the kitchen. This salad dryer excels beyond just drying. Wash and store your vegetables with absolute ease. Its multi-purpose design acts as a washing bowl to gently wash your food effortlessly, or a convenient storage container for your prepped and washed veggies in the refrigerator. Product link is given in the third link. 4. Gas cylinder trolley. Fitted with ingeniously designed anti-jamming swiveling caster wheels. Unlike other cylinder stands with wheels, gas trolley assures you very smooth, unobstructed and effortless experience of moving your cylinder from one location to another. Feel free to place this gas cylinder trolley on any type of floor tile, as it is completely safe for your tiles. Product link is given in the fourth link. 5. Tofu press. It is crafted with efficiency and convenience in mind. It features an efficient paneer pressing mechanism that ensures your paneer maintains a consistent texture and firmness, offering you restaurant-quality results in the comfort of your home. Made from non-reactive stainless steel, this paneer maker is not only health-friendly but also durable and long-lasting. The material prevents any interaction with the dairy, ensuring the purity and quality of your product. With its easy-to-use design, you'll enjoy making homemade paneer without any hassle. Product link is given in the fifth link. 6. Dish soap liquid dispenser. The detachable liquid dish soap dispenser for kitchen is convenient for cleaning. Built-in solid dots on top of the tray create a non-slip experience when in use. Vent holes let the sponge scouring pad dry quickly, and the drip tray catches leftover liquid and has a pour spout for easy pouring. The dishwashing soap dispenser for kitchen is made of high-quality ABS plus PC plastic, high quality, not easy to crack and break, and can be used for a long time. Product link is given in the sixth link. 7. Grater. The single-handle design fits comfortably in your hand for a splendid grating experience and allows for quick and efficient shredding. Its plastic handle fits comfortably in all hands. Just rest the base of the grater against a plate and grip the comfortable top handle for fast, high volume and immediate shredding. So with this grater in use, shred with much more safety, speed, and precision. You can place it in your dishwasher for hassle-free cleaning. Product link is given in the seventh link. 8. Colander basket. Designed to handle a variety of kitchen tasks, from washing and rinsing fruits, vegetables, and grains to draining pasta, noodles, and rice. It can also double up as a fruit bowl or serve as a steaming basket when placed over a pot of boiling water. Product link is given in the 8th link. 9. Fish scale remover tool. Lets you effortlessly and safely remove even the most stubborn scales, leaving you with a perfectly clean catch every time. No more worries about accidental cuts or damaged flesh. Featuring the largest surface coverage available, its stainless steel serrated sawtooths ensure even and complete scale removal. Enjoy a firm grip that minimizes hand fatigue, allowing you to scale fish after fish without discomfort or strain. Product link is given in the 9th link. 10. Spatula. Cooking spoon set will be an excellent prep tool whether you are a skilled chef or a newbie cook. As a housewarming or Christmas gift, give this wooden spatula set to someone important or anybody who enjoys cooking. Wash with warm water and soap and air dry. Periodically rub with mineral oil to prolong life. Product link is given in the 10th link. 11. Silicone stretch lids. Perfect for covering various kitchen utensils, keeping your food fresh and secure. Ideal for everyday use in the kitchen. Product link is given in the 11th link. 12. Peeler. This multi-function knife solves the shortcomings of using many tools when cutting some fruits that need to be peeled. Now you only need this knife. Its hanging handles make your kitchen more tidy, and it won't look messy without placing a lot of tools. The blade is made of food-grade stainless steel. It will not react with food and will not rust. The planer in the middle of the knife can quickly peel off fruits and vegetables. The blade part can cut fruit well. Product link is given in the 12th link. 13. Bamboo cutting board. Features a stainless steel pull-out tray for easy collection and transfer of chopped ingredients, reducing kitchen mess and hassle. Eco-friendly wooden kitchen tool with natural resistance to stains, odors, and moisture, designed for long-lasting, hygienic food prep, equipped with non-slip feet and ergonomic side handles for safe. Product link is given in the 13th link. 14. Marble mortar and pestle set. Each piece of this exquisite mortar and pestle set is individually crafted by skilled artisans using natural marble, making it unique and durable, elegant look that reflects their craftsmanship. Product link is given in the 14th link. 15. Chakla Belen. Crafted from high-quality materials like wood or stainless steel, ensuring long-lasting performance, used for kneading dough and rolling out flatbreads like roti, paratha, and naan. The balen's flat surface and weight aid in evenly kneading dough for consistent texture. Product link is given in the 15th link. 16. Plastic wrap film dispenser. Made of entirely friendly ABS material, it is odorless, reusable, and designed to complement various decoration styles. The bi-directional sliding blade is hidden inside the button. Product link is given in the 16th link. 17. Sprout jars. Make it easy to grow a variety of fresh, healthy sprouts right in your kitchen, ideal for adding nutritious, crunchy greens to soups, salads and sandwiches. This kit makes sprouting not just a health choice but a fun hobby. Plus, it's an affordable way to enhance your health with fresh diet. Sprouting kit is designed to make sprouting at home effortless and enjoyable, including sprout glass jar, self-stand sprouting lid, dark mode cover water draining tray, sprouting guidebook. Our expertly designed stand allows for sufficient airflow and drainage, which are both essential to successful sprouting. Product link is given in the 17th link. 18. Crinkle cutter. Sharp steel blade is sturdy and durable for effortless slicing, non-slip handle is comfortable to grip. It saves food preparation time and easy use by any cook. The blade is made of stainless steel which is rust resistant and durable. The handle is made of non-slip nylon material. These both too are safe food grade material. Easy to clean, hand wash under soapy water, dishwasher is also safe. Product link is given in the 18th link.